Welcome back, Marvel enthusiasts, to another episode of Marvel Made Simple, where we uncover the mysteries behind the creation of Marvel-inspired masterpieces. Today we're diving deep into the world of pottery, where clay transforms into marvelous ceramic creations inspired by your favorite Marvel characters. Pottery, an ancient art form dating back thousands of years, is the process of shaping clay into various forms and firing them to create durable ceramic objects. But how does this timeless craft intersect with the world of Marvel? Imagine molding your favorite Marvel superheroes and villains out of clay, bringing them to life in three-dimensional form. From Iron Man's iconic helmet to Captain America's shield, the possibilities are as limitless as the Marvel Universe itself. It all starts with the raw material clay. This versatile substance is kneaded, shaped, and molded by skilled hands, transforming into the foundation of our Marvel-inspired creations. As we sculpt our clay, we draw inspiration from the intricate designs and dynamic poses of Marvel characters. Each detail, from the folds of Spider-Man's costume to the fierce expression of the Hulk, is carefully crafted to capture the essence of these beloved icons. Once our clay creations are formed, they undergo a transformative process known as firing. Inside a kiln, they're subjected to intense heat, reaching temperatures that exceed needed temperature degrees Fahrenheit. This firing not only strengthens the clay but also permanently sets its shape, ensuring our Marvel-inspired masterpieces endure for years to come. And there you have it, our journey through the world of pottery, where clay becomes art and Marvel comes to life. Whether it's a decorative vase adorned with the Avengers or a sculpted figurine of your favorite superhero, pottery allows us to celebrate the Marvel Universe in a truly unique and tangible way. Thanks for joining us on this creative adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our Marvel Made Simple episodes. Until next time, keep crafting, Marvel fans.